guys, we're at Leinart playing the claw machine that just got restocked, and it looks awesome. Best claw machine I've seen in a long time. So I'm so excited to play. Let's see if I can break this pillow. Yeah. Let's see if I can break this one. Come on. Maybe, yes, got that one. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Oh, 3 and 1. Oh, almost a 3 and 1. Alright, that was sweet. I think I can shake that. Nah. I'm gonna see if I can get this purple Taz. Actually, accidentally sold mine and didn't really think about it, so. Oh, 2. Yes. Purple Taz. Oh, yes, got him. Holy crap, 3 prizes for $1. Who's gonna get this Scott? Let's see. There we go. Should have one. Yes, got him. Nice. Dang, I don't think I've even lost yet. I haven't even lost yet. Let's see if I can get this. Dang, I got, I think I got 4 prizes for $2. That's awesome. Let's check out what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 licensed stuff. That's all worth a ton of money for $2. That's awesome. Sweet. So pumped. Alright, let's head over to the gameplay section. Alright guys, I am at the arcade and it just looks awesome. I don't think I've ever been to a claw machine this awesome before. They have so many claw machines. He just restocked them. So let's play. Look at this bear. Look how high it is compared to the claw. That should be a really easy rake. We'll see. I'm just gonna go to the corner over here and start raking everything. Hopefully none of this falls in the dead zone. Oh, come on, get in there. Yes, there's one. 8 seconds. Oh, is that 2? Oh, almost 2. Alright, let's get a 2 and 1. I should have it. I closed. Got it. Nice. 2 and 1. Awesome. It's crazy. Alright, let's keep going. Let's rake this blue bear. Ooh, me. Let's rake this bear in the back. Come on, get in there. Oh yes, got it. Alright, hopefully get over to this one. Ooh, 1 second. Oh, I don't think I got that one. Alright, we got 3 for $1. That's pretty awesome though. I want to keep going. This bear right here is gettable, so I think I might be able to rake it. I got all the things that's rakeable, so. Alright. Let's go for this bear right here. See if we can grab him by the body. Ooh, good spin, come on. Right between the legs. Oh, that's weak. Alright, I'm gonna go for one of these blue bears. I don't have one of these yet. So, this one looks really gettable. Oh, that should have it. Come on. Oh. Ooh, you didn't win anything with that $1. I think I'm gonna go for this one just because it's so gettable. Ooh, come on. Yes, got him. Get in there. Yes, got him. Sweet. Sure, 50 cents. gosh. Oh, that was so close. I'll get some change. I might be able to win him. I almost got him by the bow. It's crazy. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 prizes for like $3. Like $2, $3, something like that. Maybe $4. It's awesome. Stay. Ooh, it's not gonna stay. Oh, wow. Guys, this claw machine looks insane. It's the dollar claw, and he filled it so high, so I think I can just rake a bunch of this stuff into the chute. They have some dollar-sized Looney Tunes in here. Pretty nice stuff, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna rake some Happy Birds, maybe that bear. I'll go for Tweety. You only get 20 seconds, so. Come on, oh my gosh. I almost got a 3-in-1 right there. Holy crap. 2 seconds, I'll just go for this guy. Oh, come on, rip it. Oh, he's like, oh my god. It's all piled right here. I got 1 prize, that's good. I'll try again. Let's see if I can win this purple Tweety. Maybe I can rake that Vankman too. Just rake a bunch of stuff. Alright, I'm gonna spin the claws. Let's try that. Ooh, that should have it clamped. It's got it. Oh. Let me see if I can just like... Go for Tweety one more time. 4 seconds. Sure, right there. Come on, I should have it. Yes, got her. Yes, come on, 3-in-1. Oh, come on, don't get stuck. Oh, it didn't even not get in. Oh, alright, let's keep on going. I'm gonna go for Vankman in the back. He looks really easy. A lot of leverage, perfect. Should be easy to win, we'll see. The claws will spin right. There we go. Alright, oh come on, there we go. Clamped, that should have him. Yes, 2 in a row. Alright, come on, knock him in. That should, oh, don't. Come on. Oh my gosh. There's nothing else in here. I want to win. Alright, last one. See if we can win it. I might just drop it on the bear. I don't really see anything else that's good in here. I think I can get a 2-in-1. Drop it in the chute right here. There we go. Oh, come on, knock She Devil in. Knock She Devil in. Oh. Oh, so close. Bad. Alright. Ooh, it stabbed. Oh. Pushed her up against the glass. Alright, I think I know where to get her. I'm gonna try that again. That was pretty awful I got for a quarter. I might go for more of her hands area. She's kind of in a weird position. Ooh, it stabbed again. Oh. Alright, I think I might come back to her. She's not really gettable. Alright Alright guys, I'm back at the other side. I think I just fell in love with whoever the refiller is for these claw machines. Oh, that's awesome. Unfortunately, I'm kind of away right now. This claw machine is probably like 20 minutes away, but oh my gosh, this is... Oh, there's another purple Taz right there too. Look at that annoying orange. I think I'm just gonna rake all this stuff. I think I can. See if I can rake anything. Alright, I better go for something. I'm probably just gonna lose, but maybe. Yes, got her. First try. Oh no. Oh, dead zone. That sucks. That's the thing I hate when he like fills it really high, is they fall in the dead zone easy. Is there anything else? A lot of the stuff is generic though, which kind of sucks. Ooh, if I could break this owl lovebird in, that'll be cool. Oh my gosh, come on, come on. Get in there. Oh, if I went annoying orange, it would probably fall in. Come on, clamp. Yes, it clamped. Come on, get out. Yes. Oh, no. I should have won annoying orange. He's so annoying. Oh, come on, get out of there. Oh my gosh. That sucks. Ooh, come on. Oh. Last try. Oh, by the tag. Oh. Alright. Oh, almost ready for a dog. Oh.